Jeff Sessions played a central role in President Trump's election campaign and continues to exert influence within the White House.
That the testimony you're about to give before this committee will be...
During his confirmation hearing, he was asked specifically about his contacts with Russia, and this is his reply.
I have been called a surrogate at a time or two in that campaign, and I did not have communications with the Russians.
It has subsequently emerged that Sessions had communicated with the Russian ambassador last year on at least 2 occasions. But the Justice Department contends that statements during his confirmation hearing were not meant to be misleading, that he was answering the specific question about discussing the campaign with the diplomat. This not appeasing Democratic lawmakers in particular.
Because the Department of Justice should be above reproach for the good of the country, Attorney General Sessions should resign.
But visiting the Navy's newest aircraft carrier, President Trump was quick to support his Attorney General.
Mr. President, do you still have confidence in the Attorney General, sir? Total.
Later in the day, the Attorney General called a news conference to reiterate his denial of wrongdoing.
Let me be clear. I never had meetings with Russian operatives or Russian intermediaries about the Trump campaign.
But he added, following recommendations by his staff on ethics issues, he would recuse himself from any investigation that may occur.
I have studied the rules and considered their comments and evaluation. I believe those recommendations are right and just. Therefore, I have recused myself in the matters that deal with the Trump campaign.
The recusal may go some way to settling Republican concern, but Democrats are unlikely to withdraw their calls for resignation, and the demand by the American Civil Liberties Union, among others, for perjury charges to be investigated will remain on the table.